box with antique buttons that are all the same size. She has started by gluing 8 buttons across and 5 buttons down for a total of 13 buttons. Write a sequence of numbers to represent the number of buttons used for each group of buttons across and down that she uses to cover the box. How many total buttons will she use?
Okay. I'm annotating. I'm underlining things that I feel are important. And I should have circled this one. I'm circling stuff I need to answer. This is a total. Here's a total. Most likely these words they want me to answer. But in this case, a total of 13 buttons is not part of the answer. The question is this: how many total buttons? So I'm going to leave this circle because I want to find the total of buttons. And I need to write a sequence of numbers, right? Sequence of numbers. So I need 2 answers here. First, how many total buttons, and a sequence of numbers. Two total questions. First, we know that there's 8 going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5 going down, right?
3, 4, 5.
And that makes it, the first number is 13, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, that to represent, okay, they want you to write a sequence of numbers to represent the number of buttons used in each group of buttons, across and down. So, across and down, that's the first set of numbers. How about the second across and down? How many?
11.
11. So there's 5 here going this way, and how many this way? 6, right? 5 and 6. That makes 11. Did you get that? Any question on? I would put a right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a total of 11 altogether. The next row would be how many? 9. Because if it's 5 here, now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 would be going this way now, and 5 would be going that way, correct? So a total of 9. Okay, if you draw little buttons, you'll see it. What is the pattern here? Subtraction by 2. So we can finish the rest. We want, okay, that's 9 and then 7, correct? And then 5 and 3. Do we need to go on?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That's all we can go, right? If you drew in buttons, if I drew in, it takes too much time for me here to draw in the buttons. But if you draw in the buttons, the last row would have 3, correct? And that would be it. Any question? Now that's only answering 1. Whose paper has that? Whose paper has at least the sequence? Okay? Who paper do not have this at all? They did not, then give them an automatic 1. The score is 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is they still can't do it yet. They made circles in their picture, right? They started off, they still don't understand the sequence yet. So give them an automatic 1 if they got that part wrong. Whose paper did not have a total of how many buttons? Okay, then give them a 2. They at least got half of it right. If they didn't answer the total of buttons, you give them a 2 because they at least got it right. They got half of it right. Do you understand that? Why is it a 2, Tyler? Why would, if they got this question right, the sequence, but they didn't find the total, why are they getting a 2? Yeah, because they got half of the answer right. They got this answer right, they're missing the other answer.
So it's one out of, I mean, it's out of 4?
Yes, out of 4. So it's 2 out of 4.
Okay.
Remember, I need to put up a 1. If you look at, take out your gold sheet, the learning target log. Take this out, this learning target log. Take out the learning target log. This one. Okay. Yeah.
That is if they did the sequence, but they didn't have the right number.
Then it's a 1. If they got the sequence wrong, it's an automatic 1. Okay? If they got the sequence wrong, it's an automatic 1. Where is that at? Okay? If they didn't get this right, it's an automatic 1. If you look at this here, if you look at your learning target log, at the bottom it tells you what a 4 is. A 4 is, I got this. I can teach to other, I'm an expert. A 2, I understand it, but I make careless mistakes. A 2 is, I understand part and can do at least halfway. See? You finish halfway. Through the problem. 1 is, I really don't understand, but I might recognize, you recognize some stuff. You started right, but you did it all wrong. Okay? Any question on what a 1, 2, 3, and a 4 is? Okay, now if you look at this, how many total buttons were there? How many buttons altogether? When you drew all of them in, how many total buttons were there?
48.
48. There were 48 total buttons. Who has an answer of 48 total buttons there also? So they got both the sequence and this right? Then no. Just the total? Then it's a 2 out of 4.
Okay.
If they got a total button right, they answered 1 question out of 2. Do you notice that? So they get a 2. They understand what's going on, but they're not answering all the questions. Any question? Alrighty. This will be on your quiz again on Thursday. So make sure you understand the sequence, writing a sequence, and then reading, finding the total. Okay, you got it?